Hey everybody, it's Josh, Valley RV Supercenter. I want to show you a great small compact trailer. This is the Jayco Jay Flight 160LKW. This one is a little unique. We do have the Baja package, which is going to give you a lifted platform for more of an off-road setting, which then does double into the 3-step instead of the 2-step entry. As we come inside to this great little guy, I want to point out right here, we are looking at 3630 pounds dry. So great for your smaller SUVs, don't have to have a big truck. Start off with our east-west bed with massive storage underneath. We do have storage above the bed, as well as your hanging closets and storage above. Coming just forward, we do have our solar right there. And then we move forward to great counter space for a 16-foot trailer with a two-burner cooktop, microwave, and tons of storage. You're going to be hard-pressed to find this much storage in a 16-foot travel trailer. Spinning around, we have the jackknife bed for lounging, table that sets up right in front for dining. Continuing back to our beautifully spacious 12-volt refrigerator, in-ceiling air conditioning to keep us cool in the summer. Moving into a spacious bathroom, we've got a monster vanity with tons of storage and an incredibly spacious shower. So if you'd like to get more information or have a private look at this, give me a call, shoot me a text. You can get me anytime. It's Josh at Valley RV Supercenter, 253-737-2048. Look forward to going camping.